Before we move further with the video, I just want to show you the way this vegetable, the drumstick, is easily prepared. So this is trimmed at the top, and you take the fibrous parts off, which I'm about to show you, and this is what it looks like in the center. So it is cooked like this, whole, and when you eat it, you open it and eat the center parts. There's sort of a green seed in there and the white fleshy bit, and I tell you, it's one of the tastiest vegetables you'll ever eat. Okay, without further ado, there's the fibrous part. As you see, we're going to just cut it into about 1.5 to 2 inch lengths. That depends on you. As you can see, and you just keep going until it's all done. Now, this one for example, and just peel it down. Start at the top and just put your knife on top and pull it down. Put your knife on top and pull it down. Okay, one more time. Like this. Put your knife there and pull out the fibrous part.
Now for the ingredients for drumsticks in coconut milk.
Welcome to this edition of vegan and vegetarian friendly recipes, and in today's video we make drumsticks. Okay, drumsticks are from the moringa tree, and these are the moringa leaves. Check out the playlist where I have a sauteed moringa leaf recipe and a shrimps and moringa recipe. This is a superfood, and I would encourage you to check out the properties and benefits from this superfood. Here with the ingredients: 150 grams or 3 drumsticks that have been cleaned as shown, 1 cup of coconut milk, half a medium onion chopped, salt to taste, a teaspoon of our curry powder blend. This is the light roast, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or dried curry leaves, a few pandan leaves, green or red chilies that have been chopped, and a cup of water. So no oil required in this recipe. Let's begin. Okay, to a pot, set on medium flame, add in the water. Go in with the drumsticks. So they're not completely submerged. Remember, we have coconut milk there as well. Let's add in the other ingredients. Onions. I'm going to go in with about 2 pinches of salt to start off with. The turmeric. Curry powder. Curry leaves. Pandan leaves. And the chilies. Give that a mix. And let it cook. Put the lid on it. Check it after a few minutes. Give it a water. So you can already smell that spices working together. Very aromatic. So it's been about 6 or 7 minutes. Once it boils, I reduce the flame a little. And this is the stage where we'll add in the coconut milk. Let's add in the coconut milk. Okay. Now that coconut milk was a good brand that I kept in the freezer. So, because of the fat content, it looked like that, but as you can see, it has dissolved. And now we're not going to cover it with a lid. We'll let it simmer for a few more minutes. How easy was that? Remember to taste as you're cooking, so you can correct the flavors as you go. Okay, so we just need to add in another pinch of salt. And as soon as that starts to happen, turn it off. Okay, so it's a humble but tasty dish. And there you have it. Let's take a closer look. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.